Okay, program 1. We'll get into program 1 and the setting.
Long press.
This is hour, 0 hour, 30 minutes, which means drawing is 30 minutes. Okay. This one to skip. Okay. The lighting, which means we can set in this paragraph. Okay. You can edit or reduce temperature. Okay. Cooling temperature. Okay. This one also can add or reduce cooling time. This is cooling temperature. You can add it or reduce. This is D0, which means time first. And if you want to choose D1, which means temperature first, we choose 10-1. D1, D0. D0, and this way is U1. U1 means the two direction drawing. One is forward and another is reverse. If we want to choose U0, which means only one direction, we choose U1. Okay. This is drawing temperature. Keep it. Okay. If you want, go to program 2. Setting like this. Okay. Same like the program 1.